Hi, I'm Shanika Smith, a farmer, a philanthropist, and a YouTuber. And I'm one of your finalists of the Digital Jamaica People to Watch for 2022. I started my YouTube channel in 2019 with the hope to inspire Jamaicans, especially the youths, to get involved in farming. I started doing video showcasing farming in St. Elizabeth and adjoining parishes. And I realized that the videos were inspiring a lot of Jamaicans and even people from the diaspora. But I didn't stop there. People started reaching out to me from all across Jamaica, wanting me to help them, not just as farmers, but as individuals, to help them with housing, food, and other amenities. In 2021, I built 3 houses, donated 13 tablets, and helped many families across Jamaica. In the year 2022, I have bigger and even better plans. A part of this plan includes me getting electricity for an early childhood institution that has been without electricity for 14 years. When Digital Jamaica reached out to me, I was classified as a change agent, and to me it comes hand in hand in what I believe in what I've been doing, and in what my plans are for my channel, my program, and Jamaicans who are in need. I believe that I'm a part of the change that Jamaica needs, and I also believe we can accomplish Vision 2030 of Jamaica being the place to work, raise families, and do business. You can also follow me on my social on Instagram at Shan_Zenzen Jamaican Vibez, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel at Shan Zenzen Jamaican Vibez.